Why does my garage floor sweat? Today in this video, we're going to cover a couple reasons why your garage floor might be experiencing this problem. One reason why your garage floor can be sweating is typically caused by condensation, which happens when humid air comes into contact with a relatively cool surface, which in this case is the garage floor. The results are often droplets that appear on the concrete floor and also what appears to look like effervescence after the water has dried out. Now, this can mean that you have a humidity issue in the garage, and this can be solved with a few different options. One way is to install a dehumidifier, which absorbs humidity in a closed space. Another way is to increase the air circulation and ventilation, which helps vent humid air from the garage. That could be achieved by opening up some windows or installing some exhaust fans in the garage. Another reason that your garage floor could be sweating is you could have moisture traveling upward from beneath the slab foundation. This is a common problem among slab floors that lack protective moisture barriers, since concrete is a porous material that can act like a sponge when exposed to moisture. Now, this is going to be a more serious issue because if your garage floor was not installed with a vapor retarder, then that means you would have to dig up the concrete floor and install it, which would be a lot of money. Now, it could also be that you do have the vapor barrier, but what's happening is that you have hydrostatic pressure, which is when the water vapor is being pushed up through the concrete slab at a rate faster than normal evaporation. Now, those two are the least likely reasons that your garage floor is sweating because most garage floors are installed with a vapor barrier. Now, it's important to know which issue your garage floor is having. So, in order to do this, you can actually run an experiment. First, obtain a large sheet of a heavy plastic, and while the floor is dry, lay it down and tape it to a part of the garage floor. Leave it there until the garage floor starts sweating again. If the area right under the plastic sheet is dry, then you have a humidity problem. If the area underneath is wet, then the moisture is coming from the slab floor.